In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Calendly or scheduler widget in Instapage. We're going to keep this simple and clear. The goal is to grab an embed code from Calendly and place it inside your Instapage landing page using an HTML element. By the end, your visitors will be able to book time with you without ever leaving the page. Start in Calendly. Sign in and head to your scheduling or event type page. Pick the specific event you want people to book, then look for the three-dot menu next to it. Click that and choose Add to Website. Calendly will open a panel that walks you through your display options and generates the code you need. You'll see three styles. Inline. Embed places the scheduling calendar directly on your page, which is perfect when you want the booking experience front and center. Pop-up widget adds a floating button in the corner that opens the scheduler as a modal. This keeps the page clean while still making booking always available. Pop-up. Text, sometimes called a call to action, turns a line of text or a button into a trigger that opens the scheduler in a pop-up. Choose the style that fits your layout and the amount of on-page space you have. Calendly usually lets you tweak colors, text, and size in this panel so the widget matches your brand. When you're happy, copy the generated embed code to your clipboard. Now, switch to Instapage and open the landing page you want to edit. Inside the builder, look to the left sidebar for the HTML or custom HTML/widget element. Drag that onto your canvas. If you chose an inline embed, drop the HTML box exactly where you want the calendar to appear in the layout. If you went with a pop-up widget or pop-up text, placement is less critical, but it's still helpful to keep the HTML element somewhere logical so you can find it later. Click to edit the HTML block and paste the Calendly embed code you copied. Save or close the editor to apply the change. Give the canvas a second to load the script. You should see a preview of the inline calendar, or your page should be ready to trigger the pop-up style when published. A couple of quick tips to ensure a smooth experience. Leave enough width for the inline calendar so it doesn't feel cramped, and keep an eye on mobile layout by allowing adequate padding around the HTML block. If the widget doesn't appear, double-check that the entire code snippet, including any script tags, was pasted intact. That's it. You've embedded your Calendly scheduler into Instapage.